Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the plan's scale in units. That tells you how drawing inches or millimeters translate to real dimensions. Use the north arrow and sheet orientation so you don't swap length and width. Once you have the scale, measure a known line with a scaled ruler or measure on screen, then multiply by the scale factor. For 1/8 equals 1 minus 0, each 1/8 on paper equals 1 foot in reality. Make sure to note whether dimensions are inside faces or center lines. Now measure room sizes by following the dimension strings across the plan. Start with overall exterior dimensions, then verify interior room dimensions and partition distances. You must distinguish finished dimensions from centerline or structural grid dimensions because they change usable space. Measure wall thickness and subtract it where needed to get net floor area. Also check door swings and appliance clearances drawn to scale. These affect furniture layout and circulation. If a dimension is missing, add adjacent segments consistently to avoid cumulative errors. Finish by calculating areas. Decompose rooms into rectangles and triangles, multiply base times height and sum. For odd shapes, split into measurable pieces. Convert units only once at the end to avoid rounding errors, and verify ceiling height notes and any mezzanine or split-level annotations that change volume versus floor area. Once done, cross-check totals against the drawing's area schedule or overall dimension. If numbers don't match, re-measure suspect lines, confirm scale, and look for hidden dimension lines or revisions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.